Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yo, 12 minutes till market open. Did some selling off yesterday. Looking, looking kind of good. Not so bad. Or maybe looking kind of bad, not so good, depending on what your outlook is. But anyways, Grand Rising Ken. Hope all is well. Grand Rising family. Appreciate you coming through, smashing the like button. Don't know what I'd be doing right now if it weren't for you. Good morning, Mahishu. Uh, yo, let's have a great day. Yeah, let us have a great day. Let's see. Um, D Scurv, good morning. Frankie the farmer, good morning. AJ, good morning. Good morning. Yo, I feel like energized and tired at the same time. All right, Dom. Good morning. The Victory Mass Grand Riser, Ken. Hey, appreciate that. Appreciate that, Ken. Yeah, we like to be likers, non-lurkers around here. I mean, it's cool if you wanna lurk if you already like, but yeah, yeah, we like to do things differently around these parts. Um, Alani Hill. Good morning. Good morning. Here, let's take a look. I want to let y'all know for like a larger swing trade. This wouldn't be for the like 10%, but like just for a trade that I would normally take. Um, I'm liking Tesla because it's been following this trend line over here, and it just crossed. It may take a little bit to actually like move. Like it could consolidate for a little bit. I love it even more if it comes up here. And then, yeah, as long as it doesn't like just continue ripping here, yeah, I really like a short up here. First, I like it to like just, I guess, like 332. And then I like it to like the 323, like kind of 15 range. If it keeps going, I like this gap fill. So Tesla looks the most interesting to me. Like, not necessarily on the day, but I'm liking it. All right, let's see. Hey, DGZ, good morning. One person says about don't teach child, and I will fly through this computer. Oh dang, Matt woke up and chose violence. Matthew, hey, all peace and love around here. Hey, we have our feelings about AT&T, but hey, all love, all love. Always get me laughing, Matthew. Let's see. Tyler, good morning. Frank, Grand Rising. Marcia, good morning. Good morning, by the way, everyone. Good morning, Matt. Hey, big change up in the energy. All sorts of swings. Let's see. Marie, good morning. Ness, good morning. Uh, MU for today? Yeah, we can check out MU. Let's see. Oh, hold up. Wrong kind of thing. Hey, they look like they want to fall. They do have a trend here. Let's take a look. They don't look like they've broken anything yet, but so that's going off the bottom wicks. I might try to draw another one, see which one looks better. I don't know. We'll leave both of those there for now. MU is at some critical level. I would say kind of like a similar kind of deal to Tesla, except for there's not really a supply zone or anything to like this. Let's see, to like over here. and then that wick goes really high. But yeah, just looking at the trend line, MU looks kind of good for like a little pullback. Should it break that? Actually, I'm gonna leave that first trend line I drew, because that's kind of where it came this morning. All right, let's see. Here. Thinking about SoFi right when the market opens for a call. Where's here? Let's look. So, wait, where we go? Where's just kind of the way SoFi trades? Possibly. That could possibly, like, if SoFi, especially if SoFi comes down and like takes its liquidity, that'll look nice, but I don't know how I feel about it. What happened to FNGA? So they delisted FNGA, and now they have, I think it's FNG, maybe U? No, FNG. Oh no, it's FNGB. What happened to it? Okay, FNG. That's what I just typed in. FNGB. All right, so this is the new FNGA right here. So it still moves the same, but the price is a lot lower right now. So yeah, this is the FNGA's 3x leverage of the FANG. And then the inverse to this is actually FNG, I think it might be D. Maybe? Yeah. So yeah, the inverse leverage for the FANG is FNGD. All right. Elon announced that the robo-taxi is a go for June. Yeah, I saw that. And that's one thing I'm looking, like I'm looking at Tesla like, oh yeah, it can possibly go up, but I'm also looking at it like, buy the rumor, sell the news. So that's another reason like I'm looking at Tesla. But it looks good like right now for Tesla, so I'm interested. Nashina, good morning. Antoine. When it comes to QBTS hitting $20, honestly, it just kind of comes down to momentum. I mean, it looks like they will probably come close again since they just wicked 1951. But sometimes they like to play games. Sometimes they like to bring it to like 1999 and then just drop it like a rock. So I'll say we have to see. My life be like, good morning. You said Tesla better go up today. I'd be cool with Tesla like coming and retesting these recent highs over here at 355. That'd be cool. Let's see. Love y'all, beautiful disaster. Appreciate that, Matt. Hey, Christine, good morning. Opinion on a Fubo call. Let's see. So it is back at the 13 EMA. It's pulled back past that first trend. So this is an area you could potentially get it. It's like this wouldn't be my highest conviction trade, but it's a potential spot for this is an area of support. So that's like I would say this is a semi better area to grab it. Elegant Boom, good morning. Video Rillo, Rise and Grind. Evil Knievel, good morning. And good morning. Stan, good morning. Chakwudi, good morning. Yolanda, good morning. El Madatan, good morning. 619 Monty, top of the morning. Derek, good morning. QS, let's see. Yeah, you still won't see me touching this unless there's some sort of catalyst, but Nah, looking like when you look at like here, let's see. It had volume on Monday, and then it's just kind of been coming down. So I wouldn't touch it with a 29.5 foot pole. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my distance from that. Let's see. What we thinking about the SPY? Hey, okay, yeah, let's get to the money. Let's talk about the SPY. So resistance up at about 591 on the SPY. We are kind of beginning our descent from this wick up here at the top of the supply zone. So I like just based off of 4 hour, I'm bearish on the SPY, but I would love to see a retest of like this 591 area on the SPY. And I would love to take a short from that low. So we'll kind of have to see. I would say start the day. We're pretty close to support. We could break support early on, but I'm hoping that support is a actually good area to pick up calls. I'm not going to play that first move. I'll probably come in a little later in the day if I play it. But yeah, I think it looks like a better area or it looks like it's in an area to hopefully push up. Maria, good morning. 35 or 4 on Fubo. I'll probably get whichever one is closer to the money. So probably 3.5. Kamari, good morning. Do you think we'll have another drop on Google? I hope so. Let's see. All right, so market's open. Let's see. Yeah, Google is on the bottom side of the trend line. So if Google comes below 162, next area is going to be like 160. All right, Tesla is, hold up, let me zoom in. But Tesla is kind of more testing downside. I'm going to watch that one for a complete candle. Derive just put in for a put on Tesla. And let me look at that. Where? Okay, so yeah, we're pushing up a little bit to start the day. Looking good. How can I join the call group? When you say the call group, what do you mean by that, Elmadatan? George, good morning. 34th, hey, top of the morning, M-Sense. When you said SMCI went past your alert by $1, what do you mean? Oh, wait, hold on. Wrong chart. I'm trying to keep that Tesla. One moment. Let's see. All right. I am going to. I just grabbed a put on Tesla just because. I like the potential for downside. Nothing too crazy, but I grabbed a put. Let me share with the family real quick. It's a 325. It expires this week. I'm kind of just gonna like let it kind of do its thing, and we'll see kind of where it goes. If it does work out to be favorable, I might I don't know, I might like kind of make it free, but for now I'm just gonna like let it go. That's money I'm willing to kind of just let go. All right, so just grabbed a Tesla 325 put that expires May 23rd, paid 193 per share. High risk trade. Grabbing early, hasn't confirmed anything yet. Okay. All right. So you said SMCI. Let's see. And then also, hold up real quick. Want to add the Tesla to my watch list real quick. Y'all, I feel kind of grumpy. Was it 325? Oh, wait, put. All right. So, yeah, this is a better price than I got it for, but. All right. Here, real quick. Let's see. So SMCI looks like here. Let's first draw new levels for it. Or I guess hold up. So yeah, SMCI is right now testing resistance. Oh, has a pretty solid trend line on the day actually. Here, let's see how far that goes. But SMCI on the day is in an uptrend on the 15-minute. All right, so is Robinhood Gold a good subscription? I'll say yeah, it's a good subscription to me. Depending on how much like buying power you have on your account. Like I would say, like for instance, if you are somebody who has, I think at least $2,000 buying power, like just kind of on the side in your account, sitting on the side, it pays for itself just with like the interest, but also you get features, you get access to more borrowing. So in my opinion, it's worth it. It's a good deal. But if you're not going to use it, or like if you're not using anything, and if you're, I honestly don't use the features, but like just the interest rate and the cash back that you get for certain things makes it worth it for me. So even with that, it's like if you have at least 2,000 just kind of doing this thing, it's worth it to me. Your early calls to the Discord groups. So to get that, it would be, I think, HTTPS with the little colon / I think it's Patreon. Spelled that wrong. .com / it might be first name, last name. Let's see. Does that work? Yeah, so that link right there, that's how you get the Discord access right there with that link. You said it's rising. Is it too late to get in? It's very overbought. I'll say that. It's at a level of resistance. So from this point, since I don't take too much interest above until it like confirms above like 44. Yeah. If it confirms above 44, then it might be something. Master JRC, good morning. What do you think about SoFi calls at the 200? Here, let's see. Okay, 4 hour. Let's turn on the 200 EMA. That falls in a demand zone, so that seems like a good point. And then we can also see where it is in relation to this trend line I have drawn. So we'll have to like wait till it happens, but right now it looks like it'd be a really good trade. Looking boom. I don't learn, so I hopped in a TSLL 14 call, paid 30, expire the 23rd. I'm listening to you break. Okay. So TSLL, it's still in the range. So it's still in the range, but it looks like, to me, TSLL and Tesla, they're on the 4 hour chart. They look like they're coming down. So that's my take. My take personally, it hasn't confirmed at a point where it's like, yo, get out yet, but it looks like it's preparing to. So it's like you can hold and see what happens, or you can wait till you get like confirmation that like, yo, it's time to get out. But that's from that that's up to you. But right now, it's like you haven't got like kicked out yet. Dorothy, good morning. Can you check this stock? Its ticker is between the letters S and U. I appreciate the way you put that, Matthew. Very much so appreciate that. Yeah. Way to not get things started. And why is it not? My computer didn't want me to type it for a second either. All right, so still got a little downtrend going from yesterday. Kind of looking at the 4 hour chart. So yeah, just starting off on the 4 hour chart. It is currently below the 13 EMA on the 4 hour chart. So that would lead me to think there's downside coming, but we still got like 2 hours on this candle. So let's drop down to the 1 hour. All right, so it is crossing a level of support. So I would personally default to the 15-minute, and I would kind of extend that 15-minute out. And I'd like to show you that right now it is below the support. It hasn't confirmed or anything yet, but it's below. It is kind of oversold on the 15, but yeah, so it's oversold on the 15, which leads me to think we could get like a test, maybe a retest of the 13 EMA, but it looks like it's going to come down if you were just looking on the day. Chuck Woody, you're welcome. Uh, Roscoe, good morning. Meta skyrocketed. Hadn't even take a look. Let's see. Meta, meta. All right. Let's zoom in and see what real skyrocketing is. Is it hype or is it, I mean it's definitely a jump. Yeah, yeah, I would say that. All right, so Meta is at some resistance. Let's go to the. All right, let's see if it lasts because it's at some resistance right here. We even got the 200 EMA there. Let's see if this lasts with Meta. Matt, you said till Friday. Hey, we'll see. It's selling off right now. We got the first 15-minute candle about to close, and it's about to close below. So let's see if it puts in some confirmation. I'm gonna end up getting good at trading this stock. That's ticker is between S and U. As much as Matt has us looking at it. Danielle, good morning. Good morning. All right, so just a quick check in on the spot. I love that we are getting more movement this morning. It's like I have something to talk about and something to see. But yeah, just a quick check in right here on the SPY. Like kind of moving up on the day. Once again, like as I was saying to start the day, I would love to see the SPY up at 591. I think it would be a good short at that level, assuming it doesn't break. All right, so MCents, SMCI has come to the 44 level. It looks like it is currently rejecting, but it's still doing all right. But yeah, I wouldn't want to take a call if it doesn't like break above that. Casey, good morning. Good morning. Welcome. Happy to have you back today. Google making a move. Oh, I'm gonna need Google to chill. I like to do my little average now. Oh yes, Google is looking strong. Think Google would be good to make like a move to like honestly like 170 something and it'd be fine. And probably be a good short from there too if it does come up there. So honestly, I'm here for stocks pushing up first. Matt, AT&T really looks like it wants to confirm on the downside. Still wondering if the Japanese are wanting to sell their bonds they may own. So I saw somebody. I feel like I've seen like two different YouTubers talk about that maybe. But beyond like them just talking about like Japan being like the highest bond holders out here, I'm not really sure if there's anything else to know. Japan said they are considering doing it, and beyond hearing the fact that they're considering doing it, it's like, do I know if they're going to? No, but yeah, if they do it, it could happen. Still wondering. Oh wait, got a call on Google. Hey, yeah, let's make it happen. Let's get D-Scurv that money. All right, so let's see. Evil Knievel called out QQQ, and with good reason because it is up there at resistance. All right, if the Qs confirm above resistance, then next level to watch would be that gap fill. The SPY and the Qs are, I guess, moving a little different. Wait, well, they're moving the same, but hold up. Yeah, the SPY is just holding down more than the Qs is. Yeah, Matt. AT&T looks like or at least on the 15 minute, it looks like it wants more. AT&T may like I won't be surprised if AT&T comes down to at least like 27.40. That's like a little 13-cent move. All right, the Q's is testing that resistance. SMCI is trying too. M-Sense. All right, family. I see like great potential right now. I think we could do something very beautiful right now. Something that I don't think has been done on this channel yet. The market's been done or open for 19 minutes. And we have 113 people listening right now. We have 56 people that have smashed the like button. Yo, we could like set some history, and we could get to 100 likes if everyone taps in and smashes that like button right now. Hey, we could do it like right now, earliest ever in the stream. Set a precedent, and make stream history. Probably some big profits to come after it too. Maybe a big money trade. I don't know. Maybe the energy carries over. No promises, but hey, I don't know. Hey, Tyler Miller, appreciate you, family. Hey, we're up to 74 likes. We're doing good right now. We're doing good, family. I see there's probably about like oh shoot, okay. Yeah, so what's that, like 45? 45 lurkers, 75 likers. Hey, we're doing all right. All right, so the Q's is still testing that resistance. Looks like it is trying to head to that gap fill, but we'll have to see. No confirmation yet, but it's there. Family, okay. Oh shoot, hey, we're making moves, family. Hey, 19 more likes and we've done it. Hey, we're looking beautiful to start the day. Let me take a moment to say, yo, I love you. If no one else has told you that today, know that I do. Okay, the Q's is pushing. It looks like it's about to. The Q's look like it's going for that gap fill. All right, so the Q's is up at 518.96. Partner with that, we got Google up to just under 168. AT&T is coming down. I'm gonna swap that over to. I'm gonna swap that back over to Meta. Yeah, Meta's pushing. So we got the Q's pushing things up. Meta's kind of pushing. Google's pushing. M-Sense, SMCI is trying. It's above that level, but it's still like no confirmation yet. But Google's doing its thing. Once again, I really like the idea of it being slapped down about 171. Here, let me make sure there's no news. Oh, hold up, y'all. I got a new news app, new news source. I really like it. Like let me see if there's here. Let me see if there's anything for on Google real quick. Southwest Airlines will require chargers be kept out while in use because of battery. Wait. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Indy 500. Judge fines police. Okay. Is that no AP? Okay. Let's see. All right, so Tesla selling off again. Right now it's looking like a wick. The Qs came pretty close to filling that gap. It might have filled it up depending on what time frame. If you look on the 1 hour, yeah, if you look on the Qs filled in the gap. Let me look at the SPY on the 1 hour. Nah, the SPY has not filled the gap. But yeah, the Qs filled in the gap from yesterday. It may be done. The SPY might not do it. Let me pull up SPX down here. Still wanna. Yeah. Okay. So that might be it for the upside. No, hold up. The SPY is very close to at least that resistance. Hey, appreciate that, Mitch. Glad to know the feelings mutual. Hey, show the lights. Good morning. Good morning. What do you think about SPY going to 592? I think it's very well a possibility. It's a possibility. I still like the idea of a short at 591, but 592 is on the table. I might if I get something on this SPY, I might set my stop loss a little past that. What do you think about the spot? Oh, wait, just read that. Sonia, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Sonia. Here, let's see. Hey, y'all, we got 87 likes, but we got hold up, quick math. I think 46 lurkers. That's a lot of lurkers. Wait, do you think Robinhood will keep going up? All right, here, let's real quick, let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Okay, so Bitcoin's still pushing. All right, it's still pushing. Let's go out to a 1 hour chart. Bitcoin is about 2,000 from all-time highs. Yeah, Bitcoin's about 2K from all-time highs. With that being said, Hood is definitely going to see some benefit from that. So yeah, while Bitcoin is pumping, yeah, I think there is definitely room for it to go. All right, looks like the Qs is trying to go for it again. It says psych on that pullback. Oh yeah, we got 90 likes. I think we can still do it. Can we get 10 likes within the next 4 minutes? All right, Hood is an all-time. Here, let's zoom out. They say when in doubt, zoom out. Let's see. Oh dang, yeah, zoom. Has it only been here once? Oh no, it's been here one more time too. I was about to say, yeah, back when they IPO'd. Okay, so I was about to say, if this was the second time Hood was here, I was gonna be like, oh dang, yeah, I'm gonna grab a short right now, but just in case, if Bitcoin goes crazy, Hood will definitely shoot up some more. And it's if they want to come up here, yeah, I'll grab a short right away. Give me a couple weeks time. But nah, I'm not going to do anything right here just because it's at this level. I would wait till something actually confirms. But yeah, Hood is powering on through. Okay, oh, hold up. The Q said, oh wait, we might not want to go above resistance. Hood will be 100 by 20. I can very much so see that. I would love to see a major dip on Robinhood again, but I would not fight that statement. Just got news about Nvidia. Let me see if it's. I'm still testing this new news app. I really like it, but I'm trying to see how good it is for stocks. Like I think it's very good, but let's see. Oh, hold up. Oh, I see it. I see it. Is it about Trump's plan to rescind some export curbs on AI? Wait, hold up. Oh, like taking back. Wait, yeah. Does it have anything to do with Trump? Let me know. Let me know. That's the only thing I see, but it's from like 3 hours ago. About some sell off. Can you post the news app? So if you look at the pinned comment, so it's not a free news app. I would say price wise though, it's very fair. Like, I'm gonna let y'all know they let me try it for free, but at the prices that I really right now I'm liking it. So I might do a little kind of like video just to like kind of show y'all what it's like later. But that pinned comment right there, if you scroll to the, I think it's pinned to the top of the chat. It's called Ground News, and it's like a 40% off discount code up there. But I think it's like 83 cents either a week or 83 cents a month, something like that. Chuhu, good morning. Another day, another dollar. You said put us on to something right now. Hey, that's hey, I'm trying. I want to see like kind of yeah, I want to test it, but it's really cool. It's like you know how there's like you got CNN, you got Fox. Fox leans right, CNN leans very left, and it's like this news app, it takes all the news and it'll kind of tell you like it'll kind of like combine all the sources and like give you something in the middle. It'll tell you like whenever a source is like leaning to the right, whenever it's leaning to the left, so you know like kind of what lens and what filter you have. And then also like there's 3 tabs. Like there's like a top kind of in whatever state or country you're in. There's a for you section. There's a blind spot, which is like if you like the stuff that is like very far left or very far right is not just going to come up in the for you section. It's not as balanced, so that's considered to be in a blind spot. And I like the way they do it that way. It's like I know like whenever I'm seeing things through a certain lens because I like to be balanced. I think it's great for that. Where you say, where would it be pinned to the chat? Don't see it. Here. There's a news app called Blind Spot. It's free. I'll have to check that out. Dang, hold up. We just started pop. Oh, dang. Okay. All right. So we hit that level on the SPY and immediately we started selling off. Yeah, there are a lot of sellers up there. I want to take a put on the SPY. Yeah, that was kind of intense. Let me see. Let me look and see if I like anything. What's today's date? One second. All right, so we'll let the SPY keep pushing up. Southern Magnolia, good morning. They show you the left and right side of the news blind spot. I'm gonna have to check that out too. And if it is called blind spot, they probably took the idea from blind spot, if we're being real. All right, Google is up here too. Here, let me extend this trend line real quick. Yeah, I'm probably about to I'm about to take a I'm about to look at shorts on Google real quick too. I was looking at the SPY, but I think I like Google more. All right, let's all right, so I just grabbed a short on Google. Let me like zoom in. Kind of about right there. I grabbed a 165 put that expires on the 30th. Wait, okay. You said take a look at T. So it's trying to hold up. So T has confirmed below. So once again, it'll still be nice to see a retest at 70 or like a retest here. But T has confirmed to the downside. Or at least on the 15-minute. You said thank you, Google McDougal. Hey, D Scurv, you watch Jeremy? You watch Jeremy? That's the only other person I've ever heard call it Google McDougal. You got to, bro. Jeremy's goofy, man, but yeah, he's cool. He's actually the like when I say like I was like watching the stock market, like watching videos online and say I saw someone say not to trade options and I'm like, ooh, what's that? Yeah, it was him, man. Oh, hold up. I forgot to share that with the family real quick. I gotta take a screenshot too. All right. Oh, Tesla pushed up to the upside now. Okay. I was like, it was just there at the bottom. But, yo, everything's moving fast. All right. So, everyone just grabbed what is it? Google L. Do I not put a stop loss? So, I put a stop loss on my options after they move a certain point. But like while I'm sitting here watching them, no. Just because if you see how fast they move, it's like I prefer to swing. It's like I easily would have been stopped out. So yeah, I do, but I don't. Michelle, I think you're in the Discord. I put one yesterday, like the SPY put I took, and I'm glad I put it on. Like I try to set my stop loss like after I've kind of moved a little bit. Just grabbed a Google put 165 put expiring paid 156 per share. All right, I'm driving right now, so if I miss something, let me know. All right, so yeah, Google looks, or not Google, uh, T looks like it's still gonna, it it's confirmed to the downside, so it's moving down. It's currently at about 27.57. Yeah, hey, he's goofy, but he's cool. Hey, very very valuable. Hey, shout out to hey, we did it, family. Uh, 9 minutes, 8 minutes after 9, but hey, we did it. I think it's still a record. Big Reg, Grand Rising, top of the morning. Can I see the link you have? So I think my EMA is at 200. So here, let me see. Let me click on it. Let's look at the settings on it. I don't really know what. Why is it not letting me? Oh, settings aren't popping up for it. Let's see if this one. I don't know. My settings aren't popping up for the EMA, so I don't know if I can actually show you right now. Um, that's really weird. I can try to set up another one, but here. So I'll just show you how I set it up. So here, let me get rid of this one, and let me add another one. Where's it at? Okay, so yo, what's going on? Why is it not? Oh, I just added like 50 of them. It just looked like it wasn't adding them. Hold up. All right, let's see if it'll let me adjust it. Yeah, it's not really letting me adjust my settings right now. I don't know what's up. Um, yeah, just a thought, kind of looking at things right now. We're still above resistance right now on the Qs, but we still haven't confirmed. We still like intertwining with this level of resistance. Like we're still making contact with it. So no confirmation up here. So I'm still leaning towards downside. But Eric, I can't really show you the length. I don't know what's up. Uh, but I will say the length for my 200 is 200. But right now I can't. I don't know what's up. Like it's weird. Like normally I can just click on whatever indicator and just is really weird that it's not letting me do anything. So Matt T is selling off more. It's a new low of the day at 27.50. SPY, we got a big kind of like we got a doji on the SPY. We got a lot of liquidity to the upside. Looks like we're pushing down. MSense, it looks like it's good that you didn't grab a call on SMCI. Is coming back to test the trend line. They're up from where they opened, but they're starting to sell off. Okay, you said okay. I have calls on T and Fubo until Friday. Bigger picture, I would lean more like I would lean more toward bigger picture. We spent all that time consolidating, kind of like pushing up, but I lean towards puts right now. Told myself I'm not going in on anything. I keep losing $100. How's Tesla looking this morning? I'm currently in a short. It's currently in this range, but yeah, I'm currently in a short. I'm personally like bearish on it. Like we crossed over this 13 EMA. It's like I'm thinking not 13 EMA. We crossed over this trend line that's kind of been going since May 7th, and I think it may not go for it today, but today it looks like it could go for it. So I'm trying to see if we can. All right, so we still got T selling off. It's at like 27.48. Chart wise, it looks pretty steep on T. Hi, I'm new here. When setting an option stop loss, how do you know what option price going to be? So there honestly you don't know what price is going to be, and that's why I don't set stop losses on options. It's like I'll set it if I'm trading stocks, but it's like I don't set stop losses unless I'm up, and it's like I think the stock can keep moving, but I'm not going to be there to monitor it. So I usually set stop losses to make sure I don't lose my gains. But I usually like watch the charts for certain levels, and if the chart comes above a certain level, I'll just sell out at whatever price it's at. But yeah, unfortunately, there is no way to know exactly what price is going to be on an option because an option is supply and demand. Said you're out on Google McDougal. Hey, good time in D-Scurb. I love that you put McDougal in the parentheses. Here, let's see. You said no worries. Hey, way to be resourceful, Eric. Hey, that's good stuff right there. Yeah, I don't know what's up with my indicators right now, but hopefully it works after the stream's over, cause I need to set that back up. Bought an Nvidia put on the it expires on the 23rd. I hadn't even looked at Nvidia. Let's see. Let me go back to the. When's Nvidia's earnings? Okay, so their earnings is on the 28th. All right, Google is still like kind of still showing a little blue, a little green. It said Matthew can see our chats. Oh, I'm just it's like I try not to read if I can see the what is it? Okay, the Qs is still trying to like push up a little bit. We'll see. SPY is too. It looks like they're losing steam, but they're still trying to push up. Thanks, I placed a put limit buy that's about to trigger. Pretty sure it'll skyrocket once they get my 28. Oh yeah, you know how that goes. When I started day trading, I should have just dumped all money into Bitcoin. What did I invest in? It has done better than anything. When did you start day trading? Because I would also encourage you to compare it to Palantir's chart. I think like just like a year and a half ago, I definitely was talking about Palantir around like $8, around like $13. So Palantir, if you look at Palantir today and you got Palantir when it was $8, Palantir has like more than 10x in the past year. Or I'm not sure about the past year. Let's look real quick. Yeah, Palantir's insane. Yeah, if we look at Palantir on the weekly, from May of 2023, let's see. Palantir has 17x'd. Let's see how Bitcoin's done since then. 2023, May of 2023. Bitcoin's going crazy too. But yeah. Oh wait, hold on. I went for March. We'll still take it from March, but Bitcoin has almost 5x. So yeah, there are definitely stocks that have like multiple stocks that have done Bitcoin like returns in the same time as well. There's a reason I prefer stocks to crypto, just because there's actually like kind of a determined value. All right, let's see. Let's grow. Good morning. Can you tell me how you set your trend lines? I find 2 points, and I try to find them in a trend. Like, so I would say, like, if I were looking at the cues right now, I see a point here and here. Yeah, it'd probably be like that. But here, let's go to a higher time frame, see what it looks like. I look for like two touches on the line, and like I try to draw a straight line with it, and then see like if it's respected and keeps moving in that direction. But I have some videos on my channel. Highly recommend watching them. Like, I have this playlist right here. I can share the link real quick. Just real quick explanation of the playlist. This is the first video. I feel like I go over this like every day. Oh, hold up. So start off showing you how to like set up your charts. Talk about how to set up, still setting up the chart. Then like how to read candlesticks. Then we talk about how to analyze trends. And to kind of like simplify what I was just telling you, notice like whenever you see these direction changes, there are kind of points here. If I were doing a trend line, I just want to be able to draw it where at least 2 points are on that. And I want to see how long it goes. But then if you go on past that, you actually have how to draw trend lines. And if you want a better tutorial, it's like a little, like this little section of the video, I would say watch that, and it'll answer that a little bit better. All right, let's see. Tesla trying to break to the downside. Hey, I'm here for it. I'm definitely here for it if Tesla wants to. I'm not like too worried right now, but I'm definitely here for it if it wants to. And you said, but what about time decay? Time decay is probably like the worst part of options. There's not like a set kind of whatever, like when it comes to time decay. Ideally, if it's same day, I don't worry about time decay as much unless it's like a 0 day to expiration. But when I'm looking at time decay, for instance, like if we're looking at this Tesla put that I grabbed today, we look at theta. All right, I can see the theta is $1.03 per share. So that means if Tesla stays at this price from today to tomorrow, I'll have lost like $103 on the contract, or $1.03 per share. And yeah, it's like when I see a high theta like this, if I'm not like up considerably on the position, and I don't think it's going to like have like a big drop, I'm going to get out. But really, when it comes to time decay, it's just like you don't want to be stuck in a trade that's not moving. If it's not moving, it's probably best to get out. That's all I always say about time decay. And it's like usually if you have like multiple weeks, time decay is not going to be that bad. But yeah, the closer to expiration, that time decay is going to get you. So if you're worried about time decay, the more time you get, the more time you give yourself to be right. Because if we look at this Tesla put, like we got this one right here, 325, and we see the time decay is 104. But let's say we go out another week and look at the same for the 325. Where is it? The time decay on that one is 55. If we go out another week, looking at the same one, let's see, time decay is 46. So it's like, if you're worried about the time decay, just get more time. Give yourself more time to be right. That's usually what goes wrong with all my trades. Is like I'm not giving myself enough time to be right. The market can go up and show nonsense a lot longer than we can hold up. Like the market has the market maker and these institutions have do. So it's like they can usually hold out more. STZ has been going down. Let's take a look. So this is one that Warren Buffett has recently bought into. So me seeing that alone, just like looking at every time in history Warren Buffett has bought something and it's been going down and people are like, oh, what is he thinking? Like me saying that alone and just looking at history, yo, I'm thinking it's a good buy. I'm going to let y'all know I haven't done any research, but I mean, yeah, Constellation Brands itself is still good. Hold on 1 second. I see my friend walking outside. I got to creep on him real quick. Got to snipe him with the camera. Hold up. Let's see. That boy gone. All right. Shoot. Let's see. All right, let's see. Let's see. Did you enter any trade today? Yeah, I'm in a put on Tesla, which actually looks like it might be finally going green. No, I think how much did I pay for the put? I think I'm in the red on Tesla. Yeah, the puts the Tesla put has lost value to time decay, but it should be going green here pretty soon. Here, let's see. And then I entered a put on Google, about right here. I shouldn't have to worry about time decay with Google, but yeah, I entered puts on those. I made an 8% trade today, hoping I can get one more. Hey, let's get it. I'm gonna let y'all know I need to upload this week's video so y'all can see it earlier. I'm gonna let y'all know it is not I'm probably gonna have to start over again, but I need to keep going and persist. But probably gonna have to start over again if I'm being real. Unless we drop like a rock today. Perfect. I'll check them out. Appreciate that. Let's grow. Have you taken any profit on Palantir? Don't know when to take profit, especially on big. So if it is something that you're trying to take profit on, something I tell my wife to do is set a trailing stop if it's moving up, because it's when you have stocks like one I recently told my wife the other day. Let's look at the chart. Where is it? Oh, right here, IonQ. So this one is going up. She was ready to sell it. I think she got in right here around 25, and she wants to take the money and put it in something else. She's like, oh yeah, I'm up already. I'm already up so much on this. I think I'm ready to take the money and put it somewhere else. And I'm like, that's fine and everything. But I was like, yo, I don't think it's done moving yet. And also what she was trying to move it into is like, I don't want to like manage her account, but I'm like, yo, I don't think it's done moving. So that was a good opportunity for me to show her like the little trailing stop loss on Robinhood. We had her set it at like 10%. And then it's like that way it sells out. And usually once you get like a pullback of 10%, there's a good chance it's going to keep moving down for a little bit. Like there's some good selling pressure. So, and then especially like when you're up like this, it is what it is. But to those of you that don't know what a trailing, oh, hold up, Tesla's going. I think I'm still down on it. Let me see. Yeah, oh wait, that's the Google put. I'm down like $2 on Tesla right now, but yeah, if Tesla actually confirms here, then I'll be looking good. But yeah, you asked, have I taken profit on Palantir? I took profit on Palantir. Like I got in at like in the eights, but I sold out around like 22 because like and unfortunately I had like a couple hundred shares, but I like needed the money, so I pulled out. I don't even think, I'm not sure I really have a position in Palantir. I think the last time I had a position in Palantir, I think I sold out around like 90 or so. And it's like, I'm honestly not like tripping on missing out. But yeah, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. I missed it, had to make a call on rewinding. Let's make some money today. Yeah, if the market wants to give us some good movement, hey, we'll take it. Honestly, they kind of gave us some good movement to start the day. It's really like sporadic and all over the place, but it gave us some good movement. Delta Theta strike price in the money versus out of the money has been kicking money. The market, like if you look at the market, like especially like this past like week, it's been horrible. Like if you're trading anything like less than, oh, hold up, Netflix, how long has that been over 1200? Is this the first time? Yeah, that's the first time. Just making note, Netflix is over 1200. Okay. But yeah, once again, the more time you get, it's kind of easier. But the downsides to getting more time is it costs more money, and then also your percentage gain goes up slower. But when it comes to like your win-loss ratio, that typically goes up when you have more time. 3 months on trading and haven't made anything, only losses. I'm kind of hesitating to continue because of it. So I would encourage you to slow it down. I would also encourage you maybe take a break. Like maybe like watch list some stuff. Maybe, I don't know, like there was a point in time for me where it's like certain options contracts, like the contracts that I would consider are good quality, they were too expensive for me. So it's like I didn't trade them. And I would just try to get cheap stuff with less time. And because I didn't give my time, I was like losing. I would encourage you to like look at the watch list feature, get some contracts with like try some stuff with like 45 to 60 days and like try the same kind of trades and movements you would look at and see how that goes. And if you didn't have a plan, like when you were making trades, I would start making a plan. Like, I don't know what time frame you're trading on. Like, day trading is hard. I'm gonna say that. Day trading is hard whenever the market is manipulated like this. All right. M cents up $2 on TSL, still not in SMCI, but I lowered mine because the simulated returns changed. You're up on TSLL? Did you get puts on TSLL? Because Tesla's looks like it's pretty close to confirming. Tesla is I'm up on my position now. And you SMCI. I don't remember if you going for calls or puts, but they look like they are about to, wait, when did I draw this? Oh wait, on the day they are confirming below, or they look like they're about to confirm below that trend line, and they will probably at least come test that 270 below here. Dash going up too. Let's see. Oh yeah, they have good movements, or a good little run on the day. Status on SPY. So SPY is like right there, smack dab in the middle, but like up there when I said, okay, this would be a good spot for the SPY. Realistically, the opportunity was around 59.90. I personally believe SPY is good for puts here. Personally, that's my opinion. I still say the same with the Qs too. It's like I still would look for downside on these, but SPY is kind of chilling at 589.40, and that's where it is, right in the middle of its range for the day. I put myself on paper trading when I saw I was making money. Honestly, I find it just fun paper trading at the moment. Hey, it can be fun, especially like when you get confirmation that like what you're doing is right. It's nice. Big reversal on SMCI. Yeah, SMCI. Yeah, it hit that resistance at 44 and it got slapped down. Oh, okay. Yeah, just making sure. What do you think Tesla will do? I'm thinking Tesla will come down. And I was saying like next level, like I was kind of looking off the 4-hour chart, but next level, you got 337, then you got like 332, 333. So that's why I took the chance on Tesla. I was like, yeah, let's get in. I intend to be out by the end of the day, but yeah, that's what we're looking at. Put on SMCI as well. Okay, cool. Cool. Well, it's 9:37. We're an hour and 7 minutes in. Like, that's cool. Let me go back to the 15 on Tesla. All right, so there is still some liquidity down here at about. Wait, did it sweep it? Yeah, Tesla, it did. There is some liquidity down here at about this 161. Let's see how Tesla responds to it. I wasn't really like flagging it as liquidity. But I mean, we can call it support. Yeah, it wasn't really like standing out to me as liquidity low. So QBTS broke support levels. Let's see. Oh, dang. Yeah, I kind of missed that. Hey, if you look on the 15, QBTS, like, hey, let's see how it does right here at this 16, I guess 25, kind of 16, 20 area. If it ends up like pushing back up, yo, that could be a Head and Shoulders. Dang, SMCI didn't trigger. Had to manually buy. Lost $2. Hey, when that happened, I don't know. I would have to see it to really be able to tell you. Hey, Google's still trying to go for it. Still got my eye on it. Grump speaks today at 11:30. So that's in about an hour. Okay. Noted. Appreciate you, D Scurv. Let me check. Looks like Meta is squeezing. Are they still going? Oh, Matt, you're getting a little pop on T. I would say it still looks like it's gonna come down, but yeah, it's getting a little pop right here. So T is at 260. So let's say this is an opportunity right here. Oh, that's what I was about to do. I was about to look at Meta. So right now, Meta is still at this kind of area of resistance. So I would want to see it. It needs another movement like this before I would say it's squeezing, but I would say it's consolidating. Jeremy, good morning. Why not dollar cost average onto Tesla put? So the Tesla put I got, it expires in 2 days. So it's like I think Tesla can go. I think it can go and make money, but I didn't get much time. And it's like I know that I am sometimes wrong. I also know that I entered the trade early. So I haven't really fully got confirmation on Tesla yet. So because of that, I don't want to go large on the position. Like if I was just 100% confident that Tesla would be there by the end of Friday, which I don't want to be in this trade that long because once again, this contract is going to lose about half of its value if it stays at this price from today to tomorrow. Just because of that, I wouldn't do it. If maybe if I had like an extra 2 weeks on the contract, I might do that, but nah, that's why. Just because it's a shorter time frame, and I don't fully know that that's going to happen. Yeah, because Tesla is trying to hold up. Like it's back at, it's holding up support again. We've kind of slowed down a little bit. Google is still pushing. Here, let me extend this trend line. Google ends up confirming above that. I'm going to have to take an L on that. Right now, it's still holding up fine, but Yeah, Google is doing the push. Do you think Nvidia will get back above 137 this week, or are we going to keep? I think it's possible that they could. They have earnings in a week, but honestly, it doesn't even matter what I think. Honestly, if I had to assume what was going to happen on with Nvidia, I would say we would consolidate in this range. What should I do with 14 fun tickets I have left for today? Wait. That's what I would say. It's like sometimes just before you get an obvious move, they kind of like broadcast it to you. Oh dang, Google's trying to confirm about. Let's see. Still gotta remember, I saw this on the 4 hour, so I need to react on the 4 hour. Google broke above the trend line. Next resistance is 171. Let's look back and see. On the lower time frame, is there? Yeah, I see that. Yeah, that's fine. And then actually, let's see. This was the last range before. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna sit here and shift through the news while we're at it. Oh yeah, actually I wanted to check out what was it? It was called like Blind Spot News. Is there an app for it? Think Evil Knievel was talking about it. I'll look at the I'll look online. Blind spots. I see a website called the Blind Spot. I don't see anything that's actually called. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I don't. Wait, hold up. What is this? Oh, you said add S. Oh, blind spots. Let's see. Let me type in blind spots news because I'm not seeing anything. Oh, I see blind spot newsletter maybe. Because when I type in blind spots, the website that I was talking about comes up. The ground news. And I see some stuff about some books. I don't see anything. What are your top 3 long-term stocks? Right now, I like AMD. I'm adding in on SoFi as well. And I really like Estee Lauder. Let me like look and see. Like I really like those three. There's some others too, but let's see. Yeah, like I like AMD most. We got Google, and I'm like adding SoFi, but I like Estee Lauder too. What options do I have going? I have a put on Tesla, and I have a put on Google. The Google put expires like on the 30th. Tesla's expires on Friday. So yeah, we're just gonna see how they do. Hoping I can get out of Tesla by the end of the day. Google might be okay swinging it. Honest is down 3% today. Yeah, I want Honest. Honest is like chilling. It's chilling. Like I have the shares. I don't know. Like I don't know when I want to sell some more premium. If I would like them to like get back. Oh, I'll probably sell some at like 15 or so, or no, 650 or so, or not 650. I think like I have something in the charts around like six something. So yeah, honest, that's just one I just got sitting there for now. You said sorry I confused you. Hey, it's all good, all good. We're just kind of hey letting it do its thing. Let me zoom back in on Google though. Let's go to the 1 hour at least. All right, back to these headlines. I'm gonna sit here read y'all some headlines, see what we got going on. All right, so judge orders U.S. officials to appear in court to answer questions about migrants sent to South Sudan. China seriously concerned over U.S. Golden Dome defense system. Honestly, so somebody was talking about that. I haven't even like read in on this. So let's see. So with the little summary, yesterday Trump announced a 175 billion Golden Dome missile defense system in Washington, aiming to intercept missiles, including those launched from space. The plan responds to advanced missile threats from China and Russia, with U.S. Defense Intelligence Agency forecasting more sophisticated attacks and novel delivery systems. The Golden Dome is planned to be as a multi-tier defense network integrating both terrestrial and space-based interceptors. Okay. And then China and Russia warned the plan undermines global strategic ability and arms control, increasing space militarization risk and potentially triggering an international arms race. Okay. All right, let's see what the next one is. Yeah, we're just kind of chilling right now. Yeah, my stomach said it's time for a snack. All right, Google's trying to do something. Oh, it's doing it. It's doing it, Eric. Yeah, I guess we still say hold on. Here, let's come up. So we got the PCE around 60, like just under 66. Yeah, we're straight chilling today. Google, my goodness. Honestly, it's a good look for Google though. Google's over here in the overbought territory. I still feel good swinging it. I would love to see some progress on Tesla though. What was your strategy for taking the Google put? It's on the bottom side of its trend line, and also it's up here overbought. So yeah, it being on the bottom side of this trend line, you would expect some kind of fall or pullback. So honestly, when it comes to like this trade, ideally we at least pull back to like 162, and then below that, that's when it can fall. Next level would be like 160, then like 156. Then we got like a gap fill to like 153, but it's pretty much just the retest of the trend line, and then also we're oversold. That's all I'm looking at. But yeah, this is based off of 4 hours, so this one like should take at the least a day. But it had looked nice because it looked like it was going to go for it right away. Of course, Google McDougal was not done. Hey, it's hard to like time the perfect top. But hey, I would still say you got a pretty good chunk of it. It's like, of course, Google McDougal wasn't done when I bought my put. There are two sides to the story. Yeah, we're just pushing. I did 28%. Can't complain too much. Oh, that's solid. That's solid. Peace and blessings. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Oh, sorry. Google is, or not Google. Google the Q's is like, here. Let me like run through the list. Microsoft isn't anything crazy today. Meta's moving again a little bit. It's helping push the Q's up. Amazon in the red. Nvidia barely in the green. I want to get a SPY call. I have extreme FOMO. I would still want to see confirmation above resistance. Like, cause when it came up there, it sold off hard. Okay. Oh, you said, oh, I see YouTube doesn't like what I put. The website is called Ground with news at the end. Oh, Evil Knievel, that's the website I was talking about. Yeah, like the one in the this is the website. The link that I put, the pinned comment or whatever. I don't know why it's not. Hold up. Let's see. So yeah, that's the. Wait, why'd they get rid of it? Oh, you can see it? Okay, cool. I can't see my comment anymore. It looks like my comment just like disappeared. That's so weird. But you said that's it? Okay, cool. That's good. Hey, peace out, Mahishu. You have a great rest of your week as well. 5 minute and 30 minute. Let's see. Yeah, we're like running on this candle. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. That's exactly what I was talking about. You said it's free. Is it free? All right. Let's see. Okay. Well, good to know we were talking about the same thing. Said Google is Googling. After everyone gets rid of their calls that have been struggling. That's what these market makers do. That is what these market makers do. Um, let's see. Could you look at Rivian? I'm in 715 calls right now. Rivian looks overbought. To put it simply. Looks overbought, looks like it needs to pull back. Has support around like 1635. And resistance is going to be like 1711. So Rivian needs to pull back, in my opinion. SMCI and TSLL playing with my emotions. Yeah, the market is kind of slowed down. It's not doing as much now. Dang. Okay, Google it is. Here, let me look and see if there's anything. All right. The only thing putting is my capital He refers to all his subscribers to use that site. I thought it was free. I just watch it. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. No, I just found it. It's cool. Do you have like a free link? That would be cool. Next resistance on Google. So it's kind of there right now. So if Google can confirm above, what is this? I guess it kind of did. Okay, so this is on the 4 hour, but above this, it'd be about 174. Hey, good stuff, Big Reg. Next resistance on Google. Spy looking to break resistance. Let's see if they do. The Q's is definitely like running its course. Spy starting to pop up to it. Yeah, it's trying. Yeah, we're still bouncing in the range. Crazy how we keep like selling off overnight and then just taking off. It's not as wild as yesterday. Yesterday was it yesterday? I think it might have been Monday. I feel like nothing happened yesterday. Are you gonna stay in the? Yeah, right now Google is a trade I took on the 4 hour. So I'm gonna wait and see how it looks on the 4 hour. So I might have to wait till tomorrow to really know what's up with Google. But yeah, it's like based on like kind of just risk and whatnot. It's like it can. I would expect Google to turn around soon. And if I were to get out now, then I would completely just like buy in and then just sell it at the worst point. Wonder what's been causing the SPY to range. I mean, yesterday it went down. Uh, Uncertainty. It's like we're bullish and bearish at the same time. Like we're overwhelmingly bearish and overwhelmingly bullish at the same time. We have all these institutions that didn't buy the dip and then we kind of ran up and they missed out on the gain. So they're like trying to get back in and have a position, but also there's not really too much reason to be up. So it's kind of like a weird situation. Or at least that's my take. And the market is pushing. Okay, SPY is above resistance. This time it's holding a little bit better. First time it came up here, it got smacked. All right, we got resistance over here at, or it above this. It has the gap fill at 592 or so. So Google doesn't. So the next level, I said the next level on Google is 174. Gotta put on QBTS. What do you think? What is it? I mean, it has potential. That's all I can say. Is it has potential. All right, let's see. Bitcoin making new all time. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I did mention it earlier. Oh yeah, it's going for it right now. Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin. Let's see. All time high is. Oh yeah, it's like right here. So the all time high before today was 109.37, something like that. Or let's slide that down. Yeah, it's like right there. Oh yeah, it definitely just made an new all time high. We're gonna keep this up. Yeah, so just wick that all time high. Look at the SPY. Yeah, SPY is pushing up. No confirmation yet, but hey, it's pushing up. Wow. Y'all think Amazon gonna drop? Let's see. Why would it drop? You mean like for a gap fill? Hold up. Actually, it's like I would watch at like 204. Let's see. Yeah, it's wild. Uh, it's pushing 110. We'll see if it gets there. We'll see if it gets there. Sometimes they like to play games, but it definitely made a new all time high. Do you think Google will come down with the AI talk? Very well has the potential to. Yeah, there's a whole lot of buy the rumor, sell the news kind of stuff going to be had with that. So we'll see. Wait, okay. We could look for a call if it closes. So So for me, I want to see a complete candle that closes above this, like no touching of this line. Here, wait, hold on, wrong time frame. So first thing we want to see, let's see if we got it on the 5. So we haven't got it on the 5, but first you will want to see confirmation on the 5. So this candle, if it doesn't come back down to this like 590, 91 level, that's a good sign. It's like I want to see it on the 15 minute, but yeah, even one candle on the 5 minute is technically confirmation. So that's like your first sign of confirmation. Huge Bitcoin for sure. Yeah, Bitcoin is here, where'd it go? Oh, yeah, it sold off a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, still a solid uptrend. Sold out of Google. Hey, good stuff, Big Reg. Good stuff. It's crazy. It's still going. Do you trade SQQQ? Sometimes. Sometimes I do. It's not like top of focus, but yeah, it's there sometimes. Are you talking about reversal? Okay. All right, so SPY should have that gap filled now. You said feel like SPY did break the trend line on the women. Is there a trend line on the SPY? So a reversal on what, Ken? All right, so yesterday's gaps has been satisfied on everything or filled in on everything, I believe. Got a call at 589 for tomorrow's expiration, and let's see. I'm waiting for it to test at 174 and I'll make a decision based off that. Yeah, it looks like it's going to. I'm up on Meta from this morning too. Hey, good stuff. Wait, is Meta still? Oh, Meta slowed down. It's still moving, but it's slowed down. Matthew, Google has to be watching your play. Bro, yeah, honestly, yeah, it's wild. It's like yeah, it's like, yo, let's go hard the other way. Yeah, that 4 hours insane though. I have to see how this candle closes out. Yeah, I might have my answer at the end of this candle. If that holds, it's like, oh yeah, I probably need to say bye bye. If that comes anywhere back in below this blue line though, or yeah, anywhere back below this blue line within the next 40 minutes, Yeah, I'm probably good to hold that, but otherwise I'll probably have to take the L on that. Up on Invex. Got my stop loss on SPY, so I'm good. Good to hear. Let me check this news again. Hold up. Okay. Google climbing nonstop on the 1 minute. It looks like it might be doing a preparing for a head and shoulders. We'll see. See, I say that, but also it does look like it's still respecting this 13 EMA as well. Like pretty much since pretty much since 169.89, it's just been sprinting up. What did I miss on Google that made it go? I'm trying to see what's going on with Google too. Let me check, see if there's any news. I don't see anything on TradingView. Let's see. Oh, hold up. Google announces $5 million support to Alberta Intelligence Machine Institute. I don't think that really has anything to do with them going up though. What time they start going up? This was okay. Bro, it's annoying whenever you kind of just see a stock just running and then like they wait till the end of the day to come out with like the news that would kind of make sense why it's running. I think somebody might know something. Possible pullback? Oh yeah, I would say very possible. But during the day, we'll see. All right, so Google is pulling back to the 13 EMA, but it is still like the 13 EMA is steep. Okay, so we just got the alert that Bitcoin jumps to a new all-time high, surpassing prior record in January. Just got that alert. I have serious FOMO now. I got about half of what I should have. Yeah, it's kind of wild what Google's doing. All right, let's see how they do. It's crazy. I'm watching Google on the 1 minute. Netflix going crazy. I wouldn't say going crazy for Netflix, but yeah, Netflix is insanely high. I would like to see why is Netflix moving too? I don't see any reason. Yeah, it's kind of like we're just pushing on these levels, man. Which broker am I using? Robinhood and Moomoo. And if you're talking about this is a trading view. This isn't a broker. This is a trading platform. So QQQ made profit, went down for a bit, then it went up, went crazy, but I don't have my contract anymore. Hey, when this happens, I have a really small portfolio. So, hey, honestly, better safe than sorry. It's like, it's like there's much less tolerance for things whenever you have smaller accounts. But you know what they say, when all times are hit, what goes up must come down. Yep. I mean, usually you can push past a little bit though. It'd be nice to see 110 at least. It'll probably go past that. What's the pros with Moomoo? Moomoo gives you like a bunch of tools. Like yeah, there's like a crazy amount of tools on Moomoo. Um, so yeah, you can do all your research in Moomoo. They give you tools that like a lot of other apps and subscriptions make you pay for. I wish their in-app charts were better, but I don't really need them to be good, but that's like that's the place I feel like they struggle. Like their chart experience in app, I don't really enjoy. Right, looking at puts on Google for sure. Do you use nah? I feel like you're like the second or third person that asked me about those candles. I've like turned them on and looked at them, but that looks like something completely different I would need to learn. And oh, I just felt like it seemed almost as if it gave me less information, but sounds like something that needs to like you need to take more time to learn. I got a feeling Spy will run in after hours, get a position right before or after close. Hey, it's something to consider. Especially if it closes in red. Oh, I feel you. Oh, you said that's what she said. I don't even remember what I said. What's the difference between a limit sell and a stop market sell? Um, so a limit is going to be like no less than this price, whereas a stop market is if you do what a market is, if you do a market order will close it out at whatever it's going for, like in that moment. So if you set a limit order for $1, it'll come to $1, and sometimes it comes to $1 and moves down so fast that it just moves past $1 and your order may not get filled. Whereas if you do a market order, it comes to $1, and if for some reason the next price is like 99 cents, or sometimes it can like jump massively to 80 cents, it'll fill at that, but at least you get filled. It's like a market order is instant. I asked, I'm starting to use them. I like them. They give less, but it makes it more clear when I'm still learning. QQQ knocked out both gaps. Pray for small. Or Spike Call do the same. You said both gaps. What's the other? Oh, yesterday's gap. Bro, that's wild. Or no, wait, what gap was this? Yeah, this was the weekend gap. Bro, that's wild. Yeah, the Qs is going insane. Hold on. Let's see. Did we like leave something behind over here? No, we don't even really have a like a real supply zone or anything either. Oh, I got you, Matt. All right, so I guess I can't say that anymore now. All right, Nvidia on the move. Any targets? I feel like the top of Nvidia's range is like here. I guess I'll have to come back to Tesla, but yeah, the top of the range is like 136, 60. All right, so yeah, we're coming in on Euro close right now. So let's see how we start acting. Google is selling off a little bit. We still got 30 minutes on this 4 hour. I would like to see that wick push down more on Google, so I don't have to waste a trade on it, but we will see. How many Google? I only got one. One should be plenty if it plays out. I got one on Tesla and I got one on Google. If they play out, that should be plenty. Buck 20 looks like 20. Oh, you said it looks like the likes are pumping. Oh yeah, we hit the likes nice and early. Yeah, nice and early. We did what we needed to do. We are free today. I like it when we hit it early. It's nice. Yeah, I was just like, oh yeah, we got the family on stream early today, so let's get it. And then we got it. What is the relation to Euro market closing to the USA? So people who are trading in the European markets, some of them still want to trade and they will bring their money over to they will trade the US markets for more opportunities to make money. Yeah, I bought a put on Google like at a much lower price. So I'm down on it. That's yeah, that's what I bought. Matthew is disliking. Hey, may as well unsub while you're at it, family. Hey, just know the dislikes will come back to haunt you in your dreams. All right, what news? What is this El Salvador thing? Oh, El Salvador. Hey, have I got a thing for you? So, El Salvador, there is a prison, the world's most notorious prison. It's in El Salvador. It's called Secot, and yeah, it's just maximum security. You got like conditions of current conditions. I believe are like 80 inmates per cell. They got about two toilets in each cell. They got about 6 feet of 6 square feet of kind of like space to like lay down and move. Hold on, I just got an alert on SoFi. I don't know what SoFi is doing, but SoFi just crossed something. Okay, SoFi is testing today's resistance. But yeah, El Salvador, just a prison with bad conditions. If we don't hit the like count, we go to El Salvador. El Salvador, things start locking down. Um, any tips on how I can get my pre-market orders to fill? So options don't go in pre-market. So usually, if it feels like whenever the market opens, you probably could have got it for a lower price. If it doesn't get filled, it's usually because the price kind of like took off or left it. And yeah, usually if you want that to get filled, you'll have to cancel the order and adjust the price. That's going to be how you get it filled. Yeah, more than likely the price is like depending on what you're looking at, really far away from whatever price you were trying to get it at. The Google expires the 30th. But the thing about Google is if this candle closes up here above this trend line or above this let's say above this blue line right now, I'm going to close it out. So yeah, we got like 24 minutes left for this Google. He says, say something nice about my special child named T or I will. Let's see if there's anything nice to say about it. It has a nice little V today. Yeah. T has a nice little V-shaped recovery today. Once again, I would watch out for this trend line. Has some resistance there. Okay, we're pushing back down or like coming back down a little bit. That's good to see on the 4 hour. Okay, let's see. You think Tesla is headed down on the 4 hour? Wait, you think Tesla is headed down? So I do have a put on Tesla. Hold on. Let's see. Where'd it go? On 4 hour is uptrend, but downgraded stock for Tesla. Tesla got a downgrade. So this is what I see on Tesla. So we had this trend line over here that's kind of been following since May 7th. We finally consolidated kind of like past it. So it's like Tesla can come up here and make a new high. But yeah, I'm still bearish on Tesla. So it's like right now I'm really looking at this range. I'm in a put. I hopped in the put kind of early. It's like if it doesn't like break this and we just trade sideways, I'm out by the end of the day. If we break to the upside, I'm out by the end of the day. But yeah, I'm bearish on Tesla. But I do acknowledge the fact that Tesla can still like make a move like this before it comes down. But Tesla needs to come down in my eyes. Let's see. El Salvador, raw. Let's see. Let's see. Hi, Matthew. If you keep your options for a week like you set stop loss during loss, the stop loss. No. No, yeah, it doesn't. Right now, I'm going to be real. Like, uh, doing, like, holding things after hours, yo, you could very well be down huge on that. So it's like right now, if I swing something, like for instance, like if I swing Google, it's like I am understanding of the fact that I could be down considerably and have a big loss on it whenever I open up. But yeah, it's like you can have a stop loss on an option, but like it's not going to execute after hours. Options don't move after hours. When it comes to the Q and the Qs and the SPY, like they trade for like 15 minutes after the market closes, but other than that, there are no options in after hours. Not gonna lie, 18 likes with 100 people watching is crazy. Oh, refresh your stream and it'll be higher. But let's see. What is this Robinhood legend? That's Robinhood's trading platform. When I tried it out, I didn't love it. It's okay. Like it's good that they finally have something out there, but they got a ways to go in my opinion. Can you go over levels for the SPY? Will 594 be resistance? As of right now, I would still call this I would still say 592 is still a resistance. 592, 592.20. That's going to be resistance on the SPY. Looking on the 4 hour. Yeah. Right now, 592.50 is resistance. You said, Matt, you really need to work on your phrasing. Hey, you sound like my wife right now, bro. Watching the cues right now for a possible pullback. Honestly, yeah. Yeah, the cues looks like it needs a pullback. The cues went crazy today, honestly. Yeah, the cues is running. But Google is starting to look okay. That, yeah, this is why we trade on the 4 hour, but yo, that had me like, yeesh, man. It could sell off at 594. Yeah, I still say resistance on the SPY is around 592 because it never really confirmed over there. New here and love your content. Appreciate you, Weekend Off-Road. You said you may close. I'm hoping I don't close it, but just because of this trend line over here, like it's been kind of riding this trend line. If it had that strong close above the trend line, then that would tell me that this move to the downside is not likely to be confirmed. So that's why I would have closed it out. Here, let's see. Oh, I said that on purpose, Matt. Just for you. Wait, I have 170 available. Can you call out an option play? Well, it's like I can show you what I'm in, but it's like that's not necessarily what this is. If you have any ideas or anything you want to look at, we can look at them, but I'm not a financial advisor. I legally can't give any financial advice or anything. I can show you what I would do, but It's like you gotta like lead me to more suggestions. If Google doesn't close above the trend line, you'll hold, but not. I don't want to add one to lower my position because I don't want to put that much in this position. That's all. It's like there's nothing wrong with like adding to your position. I just don't want to add to my position. $5.94 to $5.89. That's the range. Are you talking about on the SPY? I would say like if I'm looking on the 4 hour, this is actually the range to me. It would be like 586 to 596. That's going off the 4 hour. If I go off the 1 hour, might come up. The high is still going to be the same, but or maybe it'll be like that. So it'd be like 595 down to 587, but I got a little bit more space in my range. Let's see. Did I hop in the SMCI put too early? Guess that depends on how much time you got in or on it. Let's see. Oh, it didn't even respect what I had. Oh, but it looks like it swept some liquidity over here. It could form a double top on SMCI. I would watch out for that. You got potential for a double top. Wait. That's what I'm trading on until I grab something else. How much is the cow trading platform? Webull is free. Webull's free. Moomoo's here free. Yeah, those are both cow platforms. So I guess Webull is a bull, and then the cow is Moomoo. SPY is about to test that 592 right now. It's tested it a few times. Nvidia gonna keep pushing. It's possible, but it's kind of at that resistance I said right now. So I would kind of see how it is. Can you look at hood? Still kind of doing its thing. So hood's gonna move with Bitcoin. That's what's going on. So watch those together. As like if Bitcoin's gonna keep pushing up, then Robinhood's gonna push up as well. Fairly new at trading, but on 5 minute or less, it seems play is already done by the time I get in. What would be your advice on better entries for swing trades? Yeah, for swing trades, I look at the 4 hour chart and like have a plan. So like if you're trying to swing trade, it's a little bit tough in this market because it's like you don't get as much straight line swing trades, but some things that I have kind of seen, like whenever you can kind of what is it? Whenever you can kind of line these things up, like some things I'll notice is Like for instance, right here with Tesla on the 4 hour, we got a supply zone up here we've already hit. We got a trend line right here. I'm looking on the 4 hour. So right here, this right here is strong. We can pull up into there one more time. That'll be the last time, but we can pull up in there one more time. I won't write that off. But typically, whenever, like, if you look at the RSI, if you come up and you get like, usually like after you get 3 peaks in the kind of being oversold on the RSI, or overbought or oversold on the RSI, the next time it goes, or the next kind of peak it makes, it's going to be a reversal and it'll be pretty strong. So that's why I got less time on Tesla, just because I think, it can happen sooner. But if it doesn't happen, I'll probably like end up getting like a contract for next week and holding it for some days, because Tesla, it does have a larger move coming. But yeah, I would say like larger time frame, like 4 hour, and then just get more time. What long calls 26, 27 do you have? Right now, nothing. I'll probably, like, I am waiting for another opportunity, but right now, nothing. I think the one that I like the most for something like that would probably be a Nike, but I don't have anything like that. I think I'm waiting for the next opportunity, though, the next pullback. OFAL up here. Let's see. Is this new? What is this? Okay, so they have an IPO. All right, so it looks like they just went public. Oh yeah, that's what an IPO is, but okay, interesting. Am I trading you at? No, not right now. Let's see how that's doing on the day. Oh, it's still chilling. So it would have been good to get a call this morning. I was looking at it. Definitely looking at it. I'm noticing the RSIs are all high. So there's not a certain number, but yeah, it's like you seeing the RSIs all being high on the 4 hours. Like, it's like a lot of times they like to wait and drag things out, but yeah, we have a drop coming. Know that we have a drop coming. It's just they're trying to hold out, and they're trying to like get as many people out of the trades as they can before they let it fall. Wait, okay. Hey, I think I missed some comments, but Lucky J, 133 likes. That's a big thank you. Hey, appreciate y'all, family. Appreciate you, Lucky J. Yeah, looking good. Just made it. EST morning. Hey, top of the morning, Henry. All right, I think we're good now. Let's see. I'm noticing that. Oh wait, okay. QQQ put. I don't even know about that right now. Wait, what time frame is this? Okay, QQQ is slowing down. It's like I would like to see it slow down more. It's like I might look at this as a trend line and consider once they break that, it's like I might look at a put. It's like if they can consolidate or whatever, like just keep moving. It's like once they break this trend line right here, that's when I would consider a put on that. Oh, what's up, Mark? Yeah, I got a webcam. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, just down here chilling in the corner. Yeah, well, don't mind me over here just on the UNH stock. Oh, right when I said that, a little trade popped up on Derive for your UNH put. Let's see. I was just targeting 30%. Yeah, I was just targeting it coming down to like 303. It's just a quick day trade. I would leave that alone. All right, SPY. SPY is testing this resistance again. Do I think Nvidia is hitting 140 today? I mean, it's possible. I'm gonna say all things are possible. But you gotta understand, it doesn't matter what I think. Because even if I say no, it'll still prove me wrong. If I say yes, it's like it can prove me wrong then too. But yeah, it really doesn't matter what I say. It's like, but I definitely think it's possible. With the help of the Lord, all things are possible. Okay, so we got 4 minutes left till Euro close. Honestly, if Google closes right where it's at, I'm still chilling on this 4 hour. I'll give it another candle. And assuming that candle doesn't just live completely above where it is, hey, we good. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, wait, hold up. Hey, man. All right. Yeah, I'm in a 136 call. Not sure if I should hold till close or just take profit. Me personally, that's where I would set a stop loss and then just consider moving it up. Like I would set a stop loss probably, like I don't know how deep in profit you are, but it's like I would probably, like let's say I was up 150. Where's it at? Yeah, I might set a stop loss at like 135 or 140. That way I know I'm getting stopped off. Or let's assume I bought it at 100. That way I know I'm getting stopped in profit. And then it's like if it continues to run up, it's like every now and then, like say, oh, now it's at 175. Let me slide my stop up to like 150 or 155. And like as it kind of just continues to go up and go crazy, just kind of like slide it up, like replace the order. How do you handle that feeling when you could have sold your contract for way higher but decided to get out early? So honestly, since this happens to me like almost every day or every time I sell, and whenever I do it, I just kind of remind myself of all the times that I didn't sell early and the stock just completely dropped, or the option price just completely dropped out of nowhere. And I'm like, I just remind myself that I did it for a reason. And also remind myself that there's always going to be another trade. So how do you feel about Pepsi? It hit its 52-week low 52-week low. I've traded it twice since it's hit this 52-week. Oh, let's see. You said 52-week low. It's not really one I ever really look at, but I would say that's very interesting. Why has this been in decline since since May of 2023? Is the company just like that bad with like market share? I don't even see like a little news thing. Oh wait, there it is. Okay, strengthens wellness brands portfolio with Poppy acquisition. Oh, I would say they seem all right. Like I would say now is the time when you buy. It's just Pepsi is never really one I've heard people talk about. Or it's like I've seen people trade it, but it's not like one that's like a pillar of your portfolio. But I'm inclined to say like Pepsi is a good buy here. But I haven't like looked at the fundamentals. Here, let's take an overview at like what TradingView says. A lot of dividends. Technicals say sell. Analysts kind of neutral. Oh, yeah. That's like I would be inclined to say it seems like it's a buy, but I don't know. All right, so we have been here for I don't know. We kind of closed out the first half of the day, and yeah, we've kind of closed out the first half of the day, and yeah, we're gonna kind of call it a day right here. I am holding the Google for now. I am going to reevaluate at the end of the day kind of what's going to happen with that. So we'll see tomorrow. If this candle ends up like just if we get like a new high and it just looks like it's going to like rip the face of the earth, I'll probably get out of it. Like if it wants to like run above 134, I'm out of this thing. But as of right now, it looks like it can still do its thing. Hold on, let's see. SPY is attempting to wait. What is it? Where'd that comment go? Reject 592. Yeah, it's kind of just chilling right now. Like we'll have to see what happens with that. Before you peace out, when are you giving up on Tesla? So Tesla is trading in this range. Here, let's zoom in. Tesla is trading between this range. I'm gonna let it run today. Let me make sure I have my alerts on. But with Tesla, I say if it breaks above 347, bye. If it breaks below like 343, hopefully we can get confirmation below 343. Then, hey, we're here. And hopefully it can happen before market hours, but or after market hours. But my intention is to be out of Tesla today because I'm not trying to deal with that theta. Derive took away my screener unless I buy the pro version. I was wondering something that you do to log your losses. Honestly, it's like there are times I log my trades. Like if it gets real bad, I'll log my trades, but it's like I only log my trades whenever or actually it's like my trades are logged. It's like they're I have all the screenshots and stuff, but it's like I only get in and like actually track after it gets kind of bad. PL. Let's see. Can you look at PL? Where's PL? Where'd it go? Oh. 60-day contract for 4 is now, but moves slow. Oh. I don't even know what to say about PL. It has support at 340, but also looks like it has resistance at like about 4. So that's, yeah. And I'm looking on a weekly looking at that. So that can take a long time. It's between those two support and resistance levels. So yeah. We are protesting today. We are not. Hey, let's get it. Yeah, I'm with it. Video Rillo, I'm with it. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the day, guys. I appreciate y'all. Peace out, 619 Monty. Peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Antoine. Peace out, Mass 3D RC. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Video Rillo. Peace out, Tyler. Peace out, Evil Knievel. Peace out, Moo. Peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, Moo. Peace out, Chuhu. Peace out, Lucky J. Yeah. Thank y'all all for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Sarah. Peace out, Christine. Peace out, Let's Grow. Yeah. Blessings to you as well. But yeah. Hey, y'all have a good day. Hopefully we get some movement. Hopefully we get some stuff going. I think yesterday, like it's always like right after I get off, it starts popping. So yesterday it started popping at 11:15, which is 10 minutes from now. So I got my head on a swivel. We'll see. We'll see. This is around the time things happen. So yeah, I gave y'all the play. You just gotta run the ball. All right, Corey. Peace out. All right, see y'all, family. Bye.